नमस्कार दोस्तों, हाउ आर यू डूइंग इन दिस एज ऑफ डिसरप्शन। पिछले 1.5 साल में हमने ऐसे मार्केट चेंजेस देखे जो पिछले 150 सालों में शायद ही देखे हों। While gold failed to rise like it did during the Great Depressions, cryptocurrencies seem to be building an empire out of these uncertain times. Which is why we bring to you an episode on what lies in the future of investing. Going forward, can we trust cryptocurrency? Or is there a more reliable choice in global investing? Let's take a look. Cryptocurrency, a word that needs no introduction today. But if you may, we'll call it the Elon Musk of investments. Yet to be considered an ordinary investor's modus operandi, cryptocurrency is still largely about navigating the realms of the unknown. While it has created sufficient buzz thanks to its high jumps and falls, we'll see if it's worth an investment for the future. To begin with, let's understand that cryptocurrency is exchanged from one person to the other, without any bank or the government in the middle. And if decentralization is the difference between presently accepted currency and cryptocurrency, what are the chances of it being widely legal? If you still wish to take a chance, you can legally invest in Coinbase, which indirectly gives you the benefits of crypto assets. But we're not sure yet. In fact, we don't even know much about the founder of the largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Generally, this brings a degree of unreliability in comparison with other opportunities that hold a more stable premise to invest in the future. Take curated portfolios, for example. Future of investing lies in the value-added benefits offered upon investing besides making capital gains off of it. What are these benefits? Suppose you plan on sending your kids to study abroad or spend on your travel to the US. While you work hard towards saving a fund in rupees, this plan could burn a hole in your pocket if you were to spend in dollars, right? This is where the concept of global investing brings curated portfolios as a solution, which is a stack. These club together the best of global stocks and ETFs, monitored by the industry experts, of course. Curated portfolios not only help you to fund your global expenses, but also make investment returns in dollars. Now let's move to innovations, one of the most in-demand theme-based portfolios. Essentially, an innovation is that which offers an improvement on an existing method or product. If investing abroad is a complex problem, innovation investing offers a simple solution. Let's take fractional trading for example. If buying an Amazon share worth $3,570 is too much for an Indian investor, they can now purchase a fraction of that share, say worth just $10, with a next-gen tech or innovation investment. Some of the popular innovation investments today among Indians are the US blue-chip tech companies like FANG or electric vehicle companies like Tesla. Overall, it looks like the future of investing will follow tech innovations or theme-based portfolios. As the internet makes this world an even smaller place, it seems like there's no stopping globalization. While the global economy dictates market trends, innovative solutions like fractional investing will also shape the future of investing. For more on global investing, download the Stockle app from iOS and Google Play Store. For latest updates on investing in the US stock market, hit the bell icon below. This is it from us today. Until next time, goodbye and thanks for listening.